Welcome to Quizzical. Test your knowledge about Cult of Chucky. What is Nica accused of at the beginning of the movie? Murdering her family. Where is Nica confined at the start of the movie? Asylum. What is the name of the psychiatrist treating Nica? Dr. Foley. What item does Dr. Foley bring to group therapy? A Chucky doll? How does Chucky first appear in the asylum? Part of therapy. Who plays the voice of Chucky? Who is the first person killed by Chucky in the asylum? Madeline. How does Claire die in the asylum? Pushed through a window. What does Nica discover about her own alleged guilt? She's innocent. Who is Tiffany Valentine in the series? Chucky's wife. What is Chucky's plan in this movie? Transfer his soul. Who is Andy Barclay? Chucky's nemesis. What weapon does Chucky frequently use in this film? The knife. How does Madeline interact with the Chucky doll? Treats it as her baby. How does Chucky multiply in this movie? Possesses multiple dolls. What happens to Madeline after she kills her Chucky doll? She's killed by Chucky. What is Andy Barclay hiding inside a Chucky doll? Again. What does I do to infiltrate the asylum? Fakes his own insanity. How does Nica temporarily escape from Chucky? Tricks him. How does Chucky transfer his soul into Nica? Performs a voodoo ritual. What is Andy's ultimate goal in the asylum? Destroy Chucky. What does Chucky use to manipulate Dr. Foley? Blackmail. How does Dr. Foley die? Stabbed in the eye. What role does Tiffany play in this movie? Helps Chucky escape. How many Chucky dolls are active by the climax of the movie? Nica to do after possessing her? Kill Dr. Foley. Who decapitates a Chucky doll during the film? Andy Barkley. What does Andy do to one of the Chucky dolls at the end? Traps it. Who is alive at the end of the movie? Valentine? Where does Chucky in Nica's body go at the end? Escapes with Tiffany. What is the key element in Chucky's ability to transfer his soul? A voodoo spell. What color is Chucky's iconic overalls? What is the first thing Chucky says after coming to life? Hi, I'm Chucky. What does Tiffany use to attack a victim? A shard of glass. What is the name of the actress playing Nica? Who gets blamed for Chucky's murders in the asylum? Nica. How does Chucky reveal his identity to Madeline? He speaks. What happens to Andy at the end of the movie? How does Chucky convince the patients he's harmless? Pretends to be lifeless? What is the runtime of Cult of Chucky? Minutes. What does Chucky call his ability to possess multiple dolls? Voodoo for dummies. Who does Chucky consider his biggest threat? Andy Barkley. What is the asylum's name in the movie? Asylum? What happens to the remaining Chucky dolls? They escape. Who directed Cult of Chucky? Don Mancini. What is Chucky's famous catchphrase? Wanna play? What year was Cult of Chucky released? What is Chucky's goal with Nica's body? Escape the asylum. What color are Chucky's shoes? Red. What happens to Tiffany's doll at the end? Escapes. Thanks for watching.